Tax-Free Wealth by Tom Wheelwright. Tax-Free Wealth is a book from the Rich Dad Advisor series. The author, Tom Wheelwright, is best known for making taxes fun, easy, and understandable. He specializes in helping entrepreneurs and investors build wealth through tax strategies. Tax-Free Wealth is a book about taxes that's an essential part of your financial education. Through its simplicity, it appeals even to the average Joe who's otherwise scared to death of taxes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to make sure you learn every time we have a new video out. We'll also leave an Amazon link for the book in the description below for your convenience. Why it's important. The average person in a developed country spends 25 to 35% of their life working to pay taxes. If a quarter of our life is dedicated to feeding the government, the subject of tax law is worth learning more about and understanding how it works. How it works. The government wants the economy to grow, and it wants you to invest in economic activities that provide housing and jobs for the people. The tax law is a map that shows you not only how to reduce your taxes. If you follow it carefully, you'll discover how to amass huge amounts of cash flow and wealth. The same general principles apply in developed countries worldwide. What you can do. Everything you do either increases or lowers your taxes. The fastest way to put money in your pocket is to reduce your taxes. All taxes are based on your facts and circumstances. This book is dedicated to teaching you how to change your facts so you can lower your tax. Tom Wheelwright strongly advises to get a good team first and develop a tax strategy. Find a tax advisor who will also prepare your taxes. Otherwise, you could get great advice, and then the preparer might not know how to use it in your tax return. The book contains all the detailed information on what to look for in a tax advisor and how to interview one. Topics covered in the book. There are some great examples on how to reduce your tax burden by utilizing legal tools like deductions, depreciation, like-kind exchanges, trusts, tax credits, choosing the right business entity, reducing property taxes, charitable contributions, estate planning, and more. Deductions. All income taxes are based on net income. That's income after deductions. Deductions come from expenses. Business expenses are the best kind of deductions. Real estate expenses are the next best. Expenses relating to energy are good as well. Even expenses related to investing in the stock market are partially deductible. The single best tax shelter in most countries' tax law is investing in real estate. With proper planning, rental real estate can create huge tax reductions also for your business and salary income. Depreciation, the king of all deductions. When you buy an asset that produces income, let's say a rental house, you can deduct a portion of the cost each year you own it. You get to do that even though the building may not wear out for hundreds of years and may actually increase in value. That's depreciation magic, and it gets even better. You get a depreciation deduction for the entire cost of the building, even if you borrowed all the cash to pay for it from the bank or someone else. Like magic, it creates money out of thin air. Nothing is better than a deduction you don't have to pay for. One of the keys to taking full advantage of depreciation is to quickly get as much of your deduction as you can. In the early years, you can even end up with a tax loss. The book, Tax-Free Wealth, contains 24 tax strategies that you can adopt as per your circumstances. Combine your tax strategy with an asset protection strategy, and you'll be protected both from the government and from potential plaintiffs. A great book on the latter subject is another one from the Rich Dad Advisor series, Start Your Own Corporation by Garrett Sutton. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please share it with us in the comment section below. We appreciate your feedback. Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite book? Facebook, Read and Grow 1. Twitter, twitter.com/readandgrow1.